look like. Put this shit right there.
Put his blunt down. Outside, man. In the daytime.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Going crazy.
Yo.
Hey, we should have took the doors off.
What?
Long as
traction control.
long as we know what's going on. Yeah. Oh, yeah. Big one.
Yeah.
Big one.
Yeah. Oh, shit. Get up out of there.
Out of there.
Get up out of there. Get up out of there, nigga. Get up out of there. Get up out of there. Yeah. Yeah. This shit was not like this yesterday.
Hell, it wasn't?
No, it was dry, bro.
It was like this when we was out here on the bikes.
Oh yeah, it was like this, yeah.
Maybe, well, I ain't gonna say worse because them puddles wasn't right there.
Nah.
That shit was crazy.
Alright, here we go. I gotta hold this shit. Get down to this shit here. Feel it get stuck?
Yeah.
Got down to that bitch. Yeah.
That bitch be fishtailing like a motherfucker.
Got down to that bitch.
Damn, I wish we had a rear camera in this bitch.
I know.
Hey, I need to go in the bed coming back.
You gonna do that?
Hell, I want to. If I was white for real, I'd do it.
Oh, look at that deer. You would've shot his ass?
Why bust him?
Oh shit.
His ass got up out of here.
We're doing a review on the Jeep Gladiator right now.
We got to.
You know what I'm saying? So, you know, pretty good off-road for the most part.
That bitch good as fuck off-road. Yeah. We ain't even we in four-wheel drive.
Nah.
We ain't even in four-wheel drive. Ooh.
Get out of there. Get out of
there. With the fishtail. Ooh. Yeah. Uh-huh.
That's not no four-wheel drive yet, bro.
That's crazy.
Nah, once we get deeper, it's going, you know what I'm saying?
It's gonna get deeper?
Yeah, yeah. Once we get deeper in these woods, it's gonna require a little assistance. Okay, bro. Alright. Alright. You ready? We gotta mash out this
shit.
Right here.
Oh shit.
Get down. Set me out. Work that bitch. Work that bitch. Work that bitch. Work that hole.
Stop playing.
Work that hole. I'm telling you.
Ooh.
Nigga, working this bitch.
What?
Yeah. I'm telling you. Yeah.
I'm talking about with ease.
Working this bitch. Goddamn Jeep. What you say? We said what about Jeep?
What?
What you said about Jeep? What you said? Yeah.
Ooh. With the crazy fishtail.
Yeah, you
the crazy fishtail.
Yeah,
going crazy.
You already know, man.
But it ain't no houses out here.
No
what
houses,
the fuck?
bro. Nobody that complain about noise or nothing. And we ain't even got no noise out here for real.
Damn. I ain't seen the house yet.
Hey, they still sending out motherfucking notifications about the
hurricane.
Yeah, look at that shit on the camera. Put the camera on it, nigga.
What you mean?
On the fucking phone. Oh, the news, nigga.
I'm like, what the fuck? Yeah, this what this shit called? Idalia?
Yeah.
Hurricane Idalia.
Right, Mudbogging through Idalia.
Yeah.
This shit is fun, no cap.
That shit was lit, bro.
I gotta make some shit for my story real quick. No cap. Nice little puddles. This shit is, boy. Damn, I might gotta buy a Jeep.
Hey, here you go right here.
Yeah, you ready?
These hoes.
Yeah.
You better control that bitch now.
Control that whole huh?
Hell yeah.
Control that whole huh? Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah.
Sideways, nigga.
Sideways.
Yeah. Yeah.
Out of there.
Yeah. Big pocket. Get out of that end.
That shit is loose with that
Yeah.
though.
I had to let my phone go real quick.
Now I can see how that drifting in them cats be.
Yeah.
All you gotta do is control that
Right.
bitch.
And you know Dodge made by
Yeah.
them.
Yeah.
Jeep and shit.
Jeep made by
Yeah,
Dodge.
yeah, that shit, yeah. Excuse me,
This bitch go out a long way.
Yup. Ass in that bitch. Yo, I'm telling you. Yeah, that bitch go a little deep, bro. I came way back here yesterday, but it was not
came
like
this far?
Yeah. Way back here, bro. Bro, we might have trouble getting through that one because I tore that bitch up. Yeah.
Down here?
Yeah, it's down here some more.
Look at that puddle right there. Incoming.
Incoming. Big puddle game. Incoming. Big puddle game. Yo.
Oh.
Get loose then.
That bitch was deep too.
Yo.
Nigga get loose.
Yo. Already, man.
I want to see how that shit look on the camera.
Right.
I know that shit look lit.
Get loose then.
That splash.
Get loose then. This dirt right here. Yeah, this dirt right here. This shit here, that's soft. There we go. There we go. Shit.
Hey, you see me holding on safety, bitch.
My dog bulking up in this bitch.
Eject, don't see though, cuz.
I'm telling you.
Shit. That Fast and Furious shit. Fast lane shit. Get through that bitch.
Already. Been in that bitch.
Hey, now I see why y'all white boys love this shit, bro. Take the doors off y'all shit. Just go through the woods.
Now, if it wasn't raining, I'd have took those off of it.
Yeah.
But I think you gotta have a certain tool or something. But for
They
me,
look like an Allen wrench.
there we go. Let's go. Let's go.
I like how that bitch gets sideways.
Let's go.
Woo! Hey, that bitch look like we had Wild Adventures, bitch. We had to unblock this bitch.
Earlier,
It's so exclusive, we had to unblock the road.
Right.
Fuck that.
That was a good one, bro.
Hell yeah, that was a good one, bro. Big ass puddle. I had that bitch out the window. This shit, man, hell yeah, this shit was fun. I'm glad I got my ass up, bitch.
The engine light was blinking. I had to slow down a little bit. Yeah. Hold on, we gotta get up out of this bitch now. Yeah.
That bitch is hot. That's all
Yeah,
that
that's
shit
probably what it
is.
is. Yeah. We're going down, fucking. Yesterday, we got right here and turned around. Red got scared.
For real? What she got scared for?
I don't know. She just.
It was dark?
Nah, it was daytime. She just wasn't feeling that shit. So, you know.
She was scared from all the fish tailing. That's what happened.
Oh, for sure. I made her get out and record me. Yeah. So we gonna cruise.
This must be the National Forest
Got
or
to
some
be.
shit,
Got
bro.
to be, bro. Got to be. Cause this shit is close. We might have to use 4-wheel drive for a second right here.
We ain't seen the house yet. Oh, look at this shit.
Oh.
Oh, we climbing.
Yeah.
Nah, we gonna get stuck like a motherfucker. If the tires was bigger, probably we probably could have made that.
Oh yeah, no, yeah.
You know that come from all that water.
Yeah, that's
when it
that's
be
wash
raining
out.
real
Wash
bad.
out. I'm gonna go in the middle of this motherfucker. See. Yep. Yep.
You got a hole.
Yeah. Nope. Hey, this 2-wheel drive, bro. This not even 4-wheel drive. You can look down and look at the dash. I am not capping. 2-wheel, too high. You feel what I'm saying? It's right here in 2-wheel drive. Like I have not put this bitch in 4-wheel drive yet, like at all.
One no need. That way.
Yeah. We can post
There's
up
some
right
more
here
woods back there. I think they be going hunting and shit.
Wanna go a little further? We can post up right here and smoke a blunt real quick and record on the way back. Let the truck cool off.
Yeah, yeah.
All right.
This the toy right here. What we was driving.
Yeah.
It ain't a toy, kids. This shit ain't no joke.
Nah.
But if you know what you're doing, though, you can have some fun. Ain't nothing wrong with having fun, nah. Outside, man. You know, Hurricane Idalia. We probably about to head down there next. We just came from that way. Climbed that little mountain, little small little hill. Shit, we about to just post up real quick. Shit, and that's it. What size rims? Oh, 18s. And then I think the tire, I don't fucking know. That bit clean though. V6. A regular little V6. That bit low-key low on cooling, it looked like. But it's probably because we on that hill. Or even with us being on the hill, that shit kind of low. But it's alright though, as long as we got something in there.
Hey, you gotta love a Jeep though, right?
Hell yeah. I want to take the doors off this bitch. All you need is the star wrench. Kind of like the Allen wrench. Take them bitches off like that. You undo this strap in here. And then take the doors off. I don't know how to do all that shit though.
Yeah, that shit was fun though, bro.
That shit was lit. Take off so smooth.
Yeah. It catch. Jeep Gladiator. Some Gladiators. We thought we was ninjas.
Right. Cowboy.
Kicked our ass out. That threw me off. I fell off my shit.
I was trying to make sure I ain't falling.
Yeah, I definitely fell off. I think this that legendary color right there.
Hit that bitch. Oh, we going crazy now. That bitch went sideways, but see, he brought it back.
Yeah. On the trail.
A real life trail, bro.
Slow down this bit. Try him.
When they ass be like, go in the woods and do that shit. They mean it.
Yeah. hurricane. This is actually a hurricane out of May footage. Ida May said she ain't gonna play. And when she get here, she ain't come to late. She came to slay, she said. Kill shit, pussy, stop. Look at that right there. That's me. I go back in. And I go in the same spot. Yeah. Let me chill. That's like a drop off right there. Some drop off right there. Big ass tree stump.
Yeah. You through it, go down there. You won't die, but the truck you get through it. This what them boys be doing in Arizona and shit with them mountains.
Right. Yeah.
Climbing shit, but they be having their shit souped up for stuff like that.
Yeah. The truck probably like, yes, more.
Yeah.
This the one from yesterday, bro. I got stuck in this one.
For real?
But I don't want to go too hard because it's like big ass like this. Like, you know what I'm saying? Like, you feel that?
Yeah.
Yeah. Like, get out of there. Seeing that bitch kicking up?
Yeah.
I want to go back up and do that shit again. That was the one I got stuck in. I want to like log it down, put it in four-wheel drive, and climb out that bitch.
You could do a 3-point right here.
What?
A 3-point turn.
Go back.
Yeah.
I went sideways. You can tell I was 15.
Yeah.
Oh yeah.
All up and through here.
You see like right here?
Yeah.
Matt, this bitch out there.
That too. I had to bring a strap or something. Bring a seatbelt.
Eat, nigga. Eat, nigga. Eat. Oh, yeah, you felt that shit, huh?
Yeah.
Yeah. You'll get enough for it. Eat, boy. Eat. Stop playing. Don't you do me like that. You say you from 2023, show me. Okay. Show me that what year you came out then.
Nigga focused in this bitch.
Yeah. Yeah. You say what? When I get in there, do say what? There it is. There it is. Look how deep it is. Okay. Shit. Hope we gonna, man. The tow truck man with me. How the fuck we gonna get out of here?
We ain't gonna get stuck.
Okay. Let's slow through that bit. That bit is walking through it, bro.
Yeah, you ain't about to get
Walking
stuck in that.
But see, I think yesterday what I did, damn, we got the mirrors dirty. Fuck. Pitch and roll. Hold on, wait, what's that?
What?
Pitch and roll. Oh, here we go. Okay. Let's see.
Hold on, let me wash my hand off real quick. People on the survival show take that water and filter the dirt out and shit. They nasty ass.
Like, I had to do that yesterday. Sacrifice my tank top.
We good.
I don't like it. You know what I'm saying? What you want to know? We're not even down for real. They got the water level right here, bro.
Well, what they say?
And we're not even close to the light.
And no degrees.
No degrees, yeah.
Shit, go on to spin off one time.
Spin off one time. Ready?
I gotta do it like this. I don't want no freak accident.
Yeah, definitely not, man.
Damn.
You got wet?
Well, luckily I got this hoodie on, but
Yeah.
that fucking mud from the front.
Yeah. Oh, we finna get dirty on the way back, man, because it ain't really raining like that. Yeah.
Well, I'm keeping the fucking windows up. I ain't trying to get dirty and shit.
The Gladiator actually went backwards, y'all. Don't forget that. That bitch went backwards all the way back to the same spot through this muddy shit with highway tires at that. These are highway tires. Highway tires. These are not even off-road tires, so that just lets you know how good this really is. Yeah. Like I said, when they're begging for more, how can I deny it? You know? Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Let's see what the ball now, right? Have we again? Then he gonna get stuck.
Yeah, no.
Alright, it's pretty thick right here now.
He gonna do what he do.
Alright, let's see. I'm gonna kick this shit up, man. I'm gonna kick it up. You ready?
Yeah.
Two-wheel drive, bro. That's two-wheel drive, no four-wheel. And you can prove it right now. Big flag. Two-wheel drive, bro. Bring your two-wheel drive truck back there if you want to. It's gonna get screwed, not this Gladiator.
Yeah, this the Gladiator. You bet not bring that goddamn Ford back
straight
there.
fishtail. You can see the track.
Here.
You can see the track. Big splash. Big splash.
Like we had wild adventures in this bitch.
Yep.
Splash Island. Should have been drifting that over. Come
on, now. You gotta remember who you're talking to now. Here we go. Yeah, I come up out of the side when it's fucking. You want to see it, bro?
Outside.
Yeah. I was just trying to figure out what you had wanted to see. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, I thought you had none. Thought I had none.
I thought you lost it.
Nah, we still sideways. Still sideways. You know what I'm saying?
big ass puddle.
Yep. That shit sound like it's getting inside on it. 2023 better be sealed, man.
That bitch sealed.
Yeah. Look how that oil coming on. Like it's raining. And it's the perfect kind of time to do the shit, bro. When it's like not really pouring, because if it's pouring, you ain't gonna be able to see in front of you. You know what I'm saying? So,
It already poured down rain over here.
yeah. Oh, we almost back to the front, man. It was nice.
Yeah, the power lines like that.
Nice.
Ooh.
Yes, sir.
I want to see what that shit look like, boy.
The trick is you gotta stay off that brake.
Yeah.
You know what I'm saying? You gotta stay off that brake.
Stay on the gas.
Yeah.
You lose it, let off the gas.
Let off the gas. Yep. Let off the gas.
See, if you had enough power, that's where that power come in there for that curve.
Yep. And it's a little V6 too.
Yeah.
If anybody was wondering, it's not the Scat. The Scat motor probably do way better out here though. Probably.
Hell yeah.
Probably.
I will.
Yeah.
If you know what you're doing.
Yeah.
That sideways, now this the puddle. This the one we was on.
Yeah.
That motherfucker's trying. Fuck calls me. Shit, man, fell in the seat.